Where do you live? ته چرته اوسېږي. Where do you live? I live in Peshawar. زه په پېښور کې اوسېږم. I live in Peshawar. Where are you going? Where are you going? ته چرته روان یې. Where are you going? I am going to the office. زه آفیس ته روان یم. I am going to the office. How is your family? ستا د کور خلک څنګه دي. How is your family? Everybody is good. ټول ښه دي. Everybody is good. How about your work? ستا کار څنګه دی. How about your work? My work is going well. زما کار ښه دی. My work is going well. زما کار ښه دی یا زما کار ښه روان دی. What are you doing these days? ته په دې ورځو کې څه کوې. What are you doing these days? I am studying now. زه اوس مطالعه کوم. I am studying now. What do you want to say? ته څه ویل غواړې. What do you want to say? Nothing special. څه خاص نه. Nothing special. What does your father do? ستا پلار څه کار کوي. What does your father do? He is a teacher. هغه یو استاد دی. He is a teacher. Where are you coming from? ته د کوم ځای نه را روان یې. Where are you coming from? I am coming from the market. زه د مارکیټ نه را روان یم. I am coming from the market. Do you know me? آیا ته ما پیژنې. Do you know me? Yes, I know you. ها زه تا پیژنم. Yes, I know you.